The beginning of Europe, from Crete to the continent. Many elements of European civilization can be traced back to the earliest advanced societies of the Bronze Age, particularly the Minoan culture on the island of Crete. Situated in the heart of the Mediterranean Sea, Crete occupied a remarkably central position, at roughly equal distances from the surrounding cultures of North Africa, the Near East, and Southern Europe. This made Crete a natural meeting point between civilizations and an ideal hub for trade and communication. At a time when land travel was slow and difficult, the sea functioned as the primary route connecting distant regions. Because of its central location in the Mediterranean, Crete became Europe's first high culture, an advanced society with organized cities, complex art, long-distance trade, and Europe's earliest roads and infrastructure. From this maritime crossroads, goods, ideas, and cultural influences spread across the Mediterranean and gradually reached further into Europe. Mythology reflects these early connections. The story of Zeus and Europa tells of a Phoenician princess brought to Crete by Zeus, where their union gave rise to offspring associated with early European identity. The name Europe itself is derived from Europa, symbolizing a blending of cultures from the Eastern Mediterranean into what would later become the European world. Across Europe, similarities in mythological traditions, such as sky gods, thunder gods, and sea gods, reflect a shared origin. The Greek gods can be seen as earlier expressions of figures and ideas that later appear in Norse mythology. Zeus corresponds to Thor, Poseidon to Njord, and Aphrodite to Freya, to name a few. These are expressions of an underlying tradition that spread across Europe and evolved over time. In Norway,